that this is one of my favorite books.
Hi, I'm Corey Silio. I'm a teacher at Crystal Lakes and I teach 2nd grade.
That's Sam I am, that's Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am.
I started my student teaching here in 1994 and I've been here ever since.
I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them. Sam I am.
You can be anywhere, see anything, do anything. The comfort of a book or a Kindle.
Say, I will eat them anywhere.
In the very beginning of school, I went to Miss Silio and I said, tell me your reading requirements.
I do not like them here or there.
Miss Silio said, stop right there. Just stop. We're not checking off lists. We're not making this work. I just want her to love reading. I nominated Miss Silio because she really instilled a love of literacy for my daughter, making it more fun than work and giving her this foundation that I want to grow with her throughout her whole education.
Filled her request.
We were just talking about that for Literacy Week. I said, the joy that I see when you read brings me joy.
It was all you who taught me to read. 1st grade, I was a horrible reader. But it was all you.
Like a coach who's really excited about one of his players, she'll come home and, oh, my little Johnny's finally reading on a 2nd grade level.
We have a big, huge surprise. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah.
You are the winner of this week's Thank a Teacher. Come forward.
So this is a gift from Scholastic, entitles you to pick out $200 worth of books for your classroom.
1, 2, 3.